Macadam app reviews pricing explain what you get for your money. If you've heard about Macadam, most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another productivity app. The surprising truth is that Macadam is designed to streamline task management, collaboration, and note organization, and pricing reflects both features and convenience. Macadam offers a free version with basic task lists, note-taking, and project tracking. Paid subscriptions range from $2 per month, unlocking advanced features like team collaboration, cloud sync, file attachments, and enhanced templates. Yearly subscriptions often come with a discount, saving around 15–20% compared to monthly payments. What you get: efficient task management, shared projects, cloud access, reminders, and organizational tools. What you give up: a small monthly or yearly fee for premium features and reliance on app stability for your workflow. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Start with the free version to explore usability. Step 2. Evaluate which premium features you truly need. Step 3. Opt for annual plans if you plan long-term to save money. Step 4. Regularly back up tasks and notes to avoid data loss. You won't believe what happens next if you skip training or customization. The app can feel overwhelming. The surprising truth is that Macadam works best when you invest time upfront to set up workflows tailored to your needs. In conclusion, Macadam balances free accessibility with paid productivity enhancements. By understanding pricing tiers and features, you can decide if the investment matches your workflow needs and ultimately get the most value for your money.